Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a pre-fall haul. I have a new handbag and a couple of new items as we get ready for the fall season. Before we get started, I'm Jamie, and on this channel we talk about all things handbags, beauty, and style for women over 40. Okay guys, let's get right into it. I'm gonna tell you guys, this is from Naomi Crafted. If there's one thing I can tell you, I love small business. I'm very select on who I collab with, what I show on this channel. But when I saw what she was doing on her Instagram, and I know she's reached out to other creators for bags, I was like, you know what? Let's see the bag. Yes. So she reached out and was like, let's create a bag. I was like, all right. So of course this one's got that H inspired. I would say if you're looking for a custom bag that she provides, it's definitely going to be more on the, I'm going to say the affordable side. Then you're not paying their res prices of like the Birkin or the Kelly. So I think that's outstanding. I'm going to say right from the jump, it's like a nice quality dust bag here. She just was amazing. Like she just asked what was I interested in. I definitely was looking for some type of neutral type of bag. I know, shocker here on this channel, but just something unique and different. You guys know I've been branching out more than just your beige and brown handbags because it goes with my theme. I'm really feeling green. So guys, meet my new like olive avocado beauty. Here she is. It's inspired by the Kelly. It's got the palladium hardware. This is like not adjustable, the strap, but it does have a strap, seeing it's more based on the Kelly. We went for more of the Chev leather. I said I really love that Loden color from Hermes, the new color. So it's more that earthy green. So I would say that this is definitely giving those vibes. I wanted something that wasn't like my emerald green because I knew that that baby was coming to me for birthday. This is my mint green, but obviously very different colorway. So I just wanted something that was different. It would be a nice complement to even my Hermes Birkin bag. So this is my Birkin in the size 25, and then here's my Hermes inspired Kelly. You can see they're very, very similar in size as well. I just like how they're very beautiful neutrals in the collection. I'm very impressed by how much this has the inspired look and the quality of the leather. I can certainly understand how Naomi has so many fans for her bags. I would definitely say if you're looking for more of, not Hermes prices, this is something I would not hesitate to look into for sure. So thank you so much, Naomi. It did come with a little bit of a clochette, so let me show you that. So here it had a matching clochette. It has obviously the strap. I could not find the lock and key. I just couldn't find it. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna reach out to her and see if she can add that in. There should be, I believe, the lock and key, and maybe it's just like we missed it in the packaging there. All good. Just want to show you too on the inside here. We just got the matching leather. I feel like the best way it's like an avocado kind of green to me. It's probably the best way, like between olive and avocado. I just love the freshness, especially with the palladium hardware. For me, it's great to have a bag that's, certainly when I have like my Birkin bag and some of my designer bags that I want to be very sensitive to maybe like the weather or, I actually took this out to the salon with me, but it just gives me a little bit more options in my collection. I'm going to put Naomi's information below. Obviously, you guys can do a custom bag. You can get one just like this one or create some beautiful bags. I certainly love the variety she has. She has some like even exotics like ostrich. It's amazing. Croc, you name it. So I'm very tempted to almost like get something a little bit different from her as like maybe another Naomi bag. Yes, the Nordstrom anniversary sale is over. However, I did get a couple more items, which you can still find on their website. But these are some items that I thought would be great addition for the fall season. I did get this nice denim top. This is from Caslon. I talked a little bit about this in my last Nordstrom anniversary sale video. I just didn't get it into the mail, but here it is, and it's just a beautiful blue shade. It's in a size medium, so I think it'll be a little bit more on the oversized kind of fit I really think this is a great layering top, perfect for the fall season. I could just imagine having like a cute skirt, like a plaid skirt, some boots, perfect for like apple picking, all those fall vibes. Okay, I did end up getting these on sneakers. If you recall, I was looking for these sneakers. I think they were like probably the top 3 things, but they're so hard to find. As soon as I saw this come in my size 8, I snatched them up. But yeah, they're in this beautiful like light lavender lilac kind of colorway. They're my favorite for running. I have my On sneakers from last season, last Nordstrom sale, in the size 8 as well, and those are my go-to running shoes. And right now I'm like every week I'm running up till October for that marathon. By the way, if you want to support my fundraiser and my run, I deeply appreciate it. I'm gonna put that in the notes for you guys. Really appreciate the support. Another great fall piece is I had to get a cashmere tee. This is from the Nordstrom brand, and I couldn't resist this colorway. It's like a nice, beautiful, like baby blue. I'm gravitating more to these cooler tones, and I know one of you had talked about how like with my hair color, and I think you guys know, I just really think this is a pretty one. They have like a pretty pink, which I'm tempted to get, but the blue one, I just think is so pretty. I love this one. Next piece, which I don't think I talked about at all, but this was one that I was like, I'm really vibing, and it's this beautiful green. And you guys know I'm like loving the greens lately. Part of that is with my beautiful birthday unboxing. I'll have that link for you guys below. Let's just look at it, huh? Here's my emerald green bag. So of course it's different shades here of green, but we're loving green. But yeah, I just wanted like a nice little lightweight kind of puffer coat, different than my Aritzia coats, and I just really fell in love with this colorway. Nice minimal branding with that silver kind of hardware. I just thought it was really chic looking. I got a size medium. I tend to go for mediums in my outerwear, just so when you have like a sweater, a little bit more layering pieces, it's perfect. I like this colorway. I think it looks good too with my cooler tone hair. Love that. And it's like nice, not like super stuffy. It's like nice, lightweight. So I will have that linked for you guys too. Okay, so that does it for my Nordstrom pieces. And like I said, those are all like great fall pieces. That is it for today's video. Love to hear your thoughts on my pre-fall haul. Let me know your thoughts below. And what do you think of Naomi Crafted and these beautiful, my avocado bag here? Okay, guys, be sure to like, subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.